This is a pretty simple one. It's July. Has YouTube kept its promise? Has your channel been monetized? Let's do this.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello folks, welcome back to vidIQ. My name is Rob. If this is your first time here, we are the YouTube tool and channel that aims to help you get more views in less time. If this is your second, third, fourth or 100th time here, welcome back to the YouTube demonetization saga. So let's quickly summarize everything that's gone on in 2018. YouTube changed the monetization guidelines. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time. Even if you were already in the monetization program, YouTube removed you from it. Once you met those requirements, then you were put into a YouTube review, which has lasted for some channels the entire year. But recently, on the Creator Insider YouTube channel, Tom said this directly from YouTube.
By the end of June, if a channel had been waiting 30 days or more, they will be reviewed by the team.
That announcement came around about a month ago. Now, happy Canada Day, everyone. Yep, we're into July. So if your channel was under review at the beginning of June, which has 30 days, you would expect your channel to be monetized right now. So the story is now over to you. What is currently happening with your channel? We've seen on vidIQ a few people posting success stories that their channels have been finally monetized or remonetized. And then we spotted this message on the YouTube forums about how the success of their review program was going. And this was posted on June the 29th. They were starting to hear celebration stories on their forums, and everybody should expect to hear a result in the next week. Now, obviously it's Sunday as we post this video, so maybe give YouTube 1 or 2 days grace, but I want to be hearing your stories. When you started to enter the monetization review program, how long it's lasted, if you're still in it, if you've got through it, is your channel being remonetized? Share everything right here, right now, and hopefully maybe we can get YouTube to read all of your stories, whether good or bad. We want to know what's happened to you. We know this has been a huge source of frustration for video creators throughout 2018. And back when we first announced the news here at vidIQ, there were a lot of despondent comments, people wanting to quit. It was a pretty sorry time. So I just want to say personally, as a video creator myself, if you've been struggling through this for the last 5-6 months, and now you're finally on the right end of monetization, congratulations and well done for sticking at it. It's clear to you that the message you wanted to spread to your audience outweighed any financial benefit, and you're here for the long run. I look forward to reading all of your stories in the comments below, and we'll be back tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your video making day. Bye for now.